Hello everyone, welcome to Teen Novelist channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you apps permission settings in Redmi Note 11 Pro or Note 11 Pro Plus. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new to this channel. So to change app permissions or to manage app permissions in Redmi Note 11 Pro or Note 11 Pro Plus, simply first of all just tap on settings and then go to apps permission settings and follow every step as I'm showing you in this video.